So, Nan, what are you having for tea for tonight?
I'm just having a bread bun.
Yeah.
With some Lurpak, of course, and some jam.
Ooh.
I just fancy it a bit different. I'm not that hungry.
No.
I really fancy this. I used to have a lot of this when we were kids. Put plenty of butter on, of course. People think it's strange having jam on a bread bun, but I don't mind. It's a lovely bread bun, this.
Well, it's still bread.
Yeah.
Plenty of butter on there for you.
Yeah, lovely.
You're going to need your new one out fridge soon.
Yes, I know. Nice and thick.
Do you like that jam? Raspberry or strawberry?
This is raspberry.
Oh, nice.
Very
I don't
nice.
like jam, though.
I know you don't. Do you good, you know. Mind you, this is the best jam, Hartley's.
Yeah.
It's been there forevermore. And forever.
You got enough then?
Yes. Just get myself a plate. There we are.
Nice little tea.
Yes, it'll do me.
With a cup of tea?
Yes. I'm actually looking forward to having this.
Oh.
I am.
Well, enjoy.
I will. It's just plain and lovely. Lovely.